Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix GeForce not detecting or finding your games. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, we have launcher right here. We're going to go to settings, and then from here we're going to go to games and apps, and then scan it. Now, once you scan the games right here, we'll scan the driver that it finds, but if you have another external driver, then you can simply click on add and add that driver itself. But if you still cannot find the exact specific game, you can go to Shield and then add it very manually. So to find any game right here, let's search, for example, League of Legends. I'm going to right click, open file location, right click again, open file location again, go back, go League of Legends. And then from here, as you can see, we have the game right here. So we're going to copy the address. Then once you get add, we're going to paste it right here. And then we're going to select the League client, open it, and now we have League of Legends added on this list of games. Now, in case that doesn't work, we're going to allow NVIDIA into our firewall. By doing so, we're going to go to NVIDIA, and then open, and then open file location. From here, go back again, open file location again, and then we're going to right click, and then same as last time, we're going to copy the address. Then from here, we're going to go to firewall and Windows Defender firewall, and then we're going to allow an app or feature. Then we're going to change settings, and then allow another app. From here, we're going to browse, and then we're going to search for NVIDIA. Open, and from here, we're going to search for NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and click OK, and then add it. But if it says that it's already in the list, then you don't have anything else to worry about. Just restart your computer and hopefully that should help. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.